Hello, racing readers. The theme for this week is heroes. And for this week's activity, you guys are going to be making your own hero. The supplies that you will need are some paper, some pencils and pencil crayons, whatever you have on hand, and a sharpener and an eraser. I hope you guys have fun.
The first thing you want to do is brainstorm what your superhero would be like. So what they like, what they do, what their superpowers are, how they help people. So my superhero loves to read books, helps others learn how to read, can summon any book she wants, likes spending time at the library, and can read in any language, even alien languages from space, because I think she's going to be an alien. And then once you've kind of brainstormed what you want your superhero to be like, come up with a name for your superhero, which mine is named Readerella, because she reads. And then once you have your name and kind of the powers and attributes of your superhero, you can go ahead and draw them and then color them in. So drum roll, here is Readerella. So she carries the book around. She has green skin because she's an alien from space. And she has a brown cape and kind of a tunic with a design. But make sure you are creative. Your superhero can look like whatever you want because anyone can be a superhero. Have fun, everyone.